Okay, so I have here the sliced and cleaned salmon. This is a little bit whitish because of the sugar that I used to clean, just to remove the slime. You'll feel the slime on this fish, and mostly I use, of course, a combination of salt and vinegar is the best. This one here I just used vinegar, but salt and vinegar are the best for removing slime on fish and chicken, right? Those like mucus that you would pull, just to remove it completely. Now this time I'm cleaning, or this fish have been cleaned. um, Please watch how I did in cleaning this from my part one. Now this one, I'm just putting it aside. This is for oil crust because that one. And then, because it's just me and Larry and of course Ate Fe, so it's too much for us to cook this in just one dish. I'm putting this on the side. I'll show you how I'll be cooking everything. Okay, so this one, fish was cut open and then removed it from the bone. Okay, this one I'm going to put it in the fridge now. Okay, now this is my featured dish. This is the recipe I'm going to cook this time, and this is my favorite for salmon. We need here are those ingredients like onion flakes, but for this one I'm going to use onion soup, and then salt. And another key ingredient for this one is of course mayonnaise. Okay. So these are the things you will need: baking tray, and then I use foil, and on that foil I actually put oil here already. That oil I always put in order not just for the skin to stick to the tray, and so that when you're eating it's easy to lift. Okay, we'll put salt. Tap it like this, and I normally put both aside. So as you can see, because this one here has been oiled already, that oil is now going to transfer onto this, on the skin. Now after this will be the mayo. I think I'll put more. Trust me, promise, this is very good. Everyone's favorite. Okay. The mayo. So I make sure, just approximate, that everything is going to be covered. Of course, just one side. Okay. I think that's enough. And my oven has been preset. It's preheating now at 400 degrees centigrade. This is my favorite. Actually, I make this for special guests, like when they come to visit us at home here in our place, a symbol of my hospitality. And it's been shared to many of our folks, especially in JRM. I think it was Ate Imelda who first learned it, coming from me. And then Sister Babes. And there are some also where I have shared this already. So you can use this dressing to other fish as well, like those bangus. Yeah, okay. I think I overdid, but it's okay. That's fine. It's just gonna drip. Okay. Then after this will be the onion. You can use fried onion, but for me, I use the ingredients for onion soup. So I just mix it because there's some powder in it, and then you know there's particles of onion. Okay. So that's how it is. Now this one here is a little bit salty, right? This is flavored already, so make sure that you don't overdo, especially that I already put salt, you know, on the surface of the fish before I put the mayonnaise. Sometimes if I have like those onion flakes in jars, you know, like fried onions, I put more. This time I ran out of that in my cupboard. So yeah, this is enough. Because of those like flaky, crunchy that they give, it's so good. Okay, so now this is what goes onto the oven. I'm just going to put it in the tray, and I need a little bit of stand so that this one here won't go straight to the bottom of the tray. The thing here is that it's gonna juice out, so I don't like the juice to come back once they drip. So this is how I'll do it. This is not direct. That's how it is. So the juice will come out. Okay, make a hole. I forgot. I should have done it earlier, but it's okay. That's fine. We'll see it later what happens. Okay, so that's it. Now my oven is already at 375. I preheated it 400. It's still at 375, but I really actually want to cook it at 375 degrees. It's at that temperature. Now I don't want to burn this, so I'm going to cover with another foil. Later, when it's already cooked, and you just want to like make the surface crisp and looking better, we'll open it as well. So I'm going to put it in the oven. Okay, let's check later. So now let's check what happened. Ooh. See the juice on the side? Look at that. We need to drip those. Let's try it. Okay. Okay, see?
Okay.
This one here is fully cooked. Good. So good. Okay, so that's it. We'll have our lunch and join us. Okay, so yan po siya. This is now. So that's our salmon.